This is NECO 2021 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 12. Let's see. And the question says the scores of 30 students in biology test are given in this table. Look at the table. The scores in interval 1 to 20 scored by 7 students. 21 to 40 marks scored by 13 students. 41 to 60 scored by 5 students, and so on. So the question asks is to find the probability that a student selected at random from this group, that student will now score above 60 marks. So let's attempt to answer this very question to get a solution to the problem. A probability of selecting a student that has a mark bigger than 60. What you need to do is to find how many students score higher than 60. From this table, I can see 61 to 80 is scored by 4 students. 81 to 100 scored by 1 student. So there are 5 students altogether that have marks higher than 60 out of the 30 students. So the probability of getting student that has marks above 60 will now be how many students have marks higher than 60 divided by the total number of students. So that gives 5 over 30. 5 is the number of students that have marks higher than 60 divided by the total number of students. Reducing this fraction to simpler form, 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 30 will be 6, so you now have 1 over 6. This is the probability of selecting a student that score marks higher than 60. So let me just share with you the mark distribution for this very question as it is there in the marking scheme. Substituting in the probability, that is the required outcome of 5 divided by the total possible outcome 30. Writing 5 over 30, you have this method 1 mark. And when you reduce it to simpler form, you now have this accuracy 1 mark. And if everything is done correct, you have just 2 good marks in this very question.